Finally, here is my video from Milan, Italy, from the EXTREMA motorcycle show, showcasing all of the new 2023 Aprilias. Do me a favor though, guys, let me know what changes you love coming up for 2023 and what changes maybe you wish they had done that you did not see unveiled at the show a few weeks ago. Comment below and enjoy the video.
Now, if winning EXTREMA is having the busiest and most popular booth, then Aprilia wins. Look at this. Now let's check out the bikes. New graphics for the RSV4 factory. They call this the Time Attack Black. I love that they brought back the large Aprilia along the tank and frame. And this one also has some accessories on it, but no other changes for 2023. This is the Tuono factory, also called the Time Attack Black colorway. Love it. No other changes for this model. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Now the RS660 XTrema. This is the only model with some significant changes to it. Carbon fiber and this SC Project exhaust and redesigned belly pan. So it's lighter and it has the GP Shift software for you guys. What do you guys think? This should be a good seller for 2023. And that's facts. New color for the Tuono 660 base model. They call this the Torque Red. And for the Tuono 660 factory, they call this the Too Fast color scheme. Torque Red for the Tuono V4 base model. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right. And for the RSV4 1100 base model, I do like this one a lot. Bringing back the Saxon ring black, as they call it. Basically mostly matte black with some red. Classic. I love it. Damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And for the base model, let's call it RS660, they call this the Tribute colorway. I think it looks pretty good. 'Cause that's what it takes. You guys already know the RS660 Trofeo, which we unboxed at our shop. I'll link that video here. And of course the RSV4 XTrenta. You guys know I can't wait for this thing. I'll link the dedicated video for this bike here as well. Can't wait for this one.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where diseases...
If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more of my EXTREMA coverage, click on this playlist here. And see you in the next one.